Hi guys, this is JC Rivera and you are watching Questions for Jomi.
What's up guys? Your regular live enthusiastic Jomi Hospital, that's J-O-M-I-E. Hi sa mga paasa, mga niasa, sa mga tao na wanhatagan og label ang relasyon, kay lagyang ilang ka-partner di pa ready. Ala, sorry, it's not you, it's me. I'm still not ready. I still need to fix myself. Hugot! But you know how this goes? I'm now ready for another Ask Jomi. It's time for Q for J! Maria Eleanor would like to ask, Hi Kuya Jomi, since when ka nag-start og buhat og videos? Ug unsa ang imong pinakauna na video na gi-post sa FB? I started creating videos back in 2014 and the first video that I actually uploaded in my FB page is a knock-knock joke. Short backstory, nag-exam ni adto nga time and then suddenly nisagit ang kasama president og there's a bomb threat going on! There's a bomb threat going on! So na-rattle na mi kay bomb threat lagi and then pagawas na mo false alarm ready ay and so nanguli me and then while nalibang ko, nakahunahon ako, why not make a joke about it? And this happened. Knock knock! Who's there? Bomb threat. Bomb threat who? Bomb threat threat. Bomb threat threat. Threat threat. Boom boom boom. Junel Demante would like to ask, yeah, kinsa imong pinakapaborito na male artist in the Philippines? Kanang kulang na lang kung makita mo kay imo jud siyang paakon ba? Well, there is this one guy na agkabuang jud kay ko. Like, katong first week jud sa pangako sa'yo, magsagit jud mini abing sa kakilig. The one and only, Ian Veneracion. And there was this one time, ito ni ato siyang Cebu, nakita na ko siya. Sa akong kakilig, ako jud nakusi ang babae nga akong abay. So of course, nireact siya. Sipat kay siya na ako. And so, niyan ako, sorry kayo, auntie. Kay, gikilig lang jud kay ko. May gani, ni-smile siya. Diningon siya, ha, it's okay, I understand. And mo to. Sir Ian Veneracion, tagda ko please. Eliza Shin would like to ask, Jomi, nakadto na kag lugar outside the Philippines? Yes, Eliza, I have been a student ambassador under the Genesis program last 2012 in Japan, and I also represented the Philippines in the Young Southeast Asian Leaders Initiative Summit in Malaysia, where I had a chance to see President Barack Obama in a town hall. And then sa Singapore last year also, where I was invited by Society Staples to make a video about inclusive interaction. Bong Granada would like to ask, katoy mo sis ba? Ipasok ko to sa imong video, pasultiya o shut up kung pwede din na. Kadot lang, tawagon ako. Ate! Alisa daw!
Ano man? Hi guys!
Tindog sa light, hindi ka makita. May pailis na dito madam sis ito. Sharon na, ibang kuwan.
Hi! Saan ako ingon?
Pwede zina na daw. Shut up kung pwede zina.
Shut up! Pwede dyan na?
Ano suko?
Shut up! Pwede dyan na?
Zara Bizon would like to ask, gwapuhan ba ako nimo ay, kanang kung laki na laki ka, kinsay mong panguyaban na bae? Yay! Thank you for that, Zara. But I can't really see myself being with a girl in the future. But for the sake of your question, if I were to court a girl, akong panguyaban kay si Steffi sa Mayman Kaday. Bernadette Apa would like to ask, if you would be given a chance nga mo-appeal sa magstorya, mugo ka or dili? I really love Magstorya. I love what they believe in. I think that they're a really great team. But no sa for now, since I am planning to create my own team with my brother Abing this June. I am planning to relocate to Cebu to create more videos na localized. However, I am still searching for the right team members. And of course, I am in dire need of sponsors who can finance me in this project. So if you're actually interested to become a part of my team or become a sponsor, please PM me on this page and we'll discuss about it. Hope you can support me in this project because I think that this is gonna be huge. Kadilinya Kate would like to ask, Kuya Jomi, nabantayan ba nimo nga simog face ni Aura? Well, daghan na dyan nag-ingon nga pareha dyan daw mignaong. And so wala na kaila, kana di si Aura kay kanang nagdala og makmak sa probinsyano. The night nga nag-viral na siya, wala pa siya sa probinsyano. Ako yung i-print screen ng iyang naong kay inato dyan akong naong atong bata pa ko. So, kamo na decide kung pareha ba dyan mignaong. Aura! Abdul Batingolo would like to ask, Hi Jomi, happy naman ang election. Kinsay imong president? Nganong siya man? Kung ikaw may imong president in the future, unsay una nimo buhaton sa imong administration? For the countless times I was asked who am I voting for president, I've eluded every query and threw a substitute joke instead. Belinda for president or Junelo for vice president. I told myself I need to finish the final leg of Pilipinas Debates 2016 before I can finally decide on who to vote. And after the debate, I have finally made up my mind. It is pretty evident that the pool of candidates for this year's election is top-notch. But I have my eyes all set for this one candidate who have addressed peace and order the most. And I think that this should be the priority for the next administration. Change is coming, Republic of the Philippines. I am a Filipino and I'm very proud to say that my president is none other than Rodrigo Rody Duterte. Pero kung ako ma-presidente, pinakauna na ko buhaton, ipapriso ang mga pa-fall o paasa. So kung namoy nailhan nga pa-fall o paasa, please pakitag sila dari kay ato sila ipapriso panahon nga ma-presidente ko. Salamat! J. Ralph Doro would like to ask, when ka makalaag sa CDO? Gusto ta ka ma-meet in person? Yay! Thank you for asking this, J. Ralph, since I am going to Cagayan de Oro with Belinda and Junalu for Boy Zugba this April 29, that's on Friday. And I've asked the girls to say something about it. Hi guys! So, bago lang minahuman sa among shoot, medyo gabi na. Once again, this is Belinda, and this is Jonalu. Jonalu, arte kayo. Jonalu, magod na. Silusa kay ka, uy. Di maghimo kag imo. Belinda, imo. Sige na, uy, mag-invite na nila. Hi guys! So, I would like to invite you on April 29, this Friday na siya sa Cagayan de Oro, Boy Zugba.
Guys, agto mo guys sa kay first time na mag-perform live. However, na siya ticket 100 pesos but consumable na siya.
So, pwede nila i-order ang ilang 100 pesos.
Consumable gani, di ba? Buguon.
Sige na, so mag-invite na lang kanila. Once again, guys, this is Belinda.
And this is Jonalu
Signing off! So that's it for this week's episode of Q4J. If you want to see the previous episode of Q4J, click right there. And if you want to become the fan of the week, all you have to do is to post a photo of us with the hashtag HelloJohnny. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you JC and Ma'am Ian of Ayala Center Cebu for that intro video. And that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This is Johnny Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you!